Should you create a light novel or a manga? I would suggest creating a light novel if you prefer writing over art. If you aren't sure if creating a manga is right for you, then light novel might be a better option. You could go with creating a light novel if you want to test writing the story before you actually go in further and create it. It's much easier to see if an idea works in a light novel if you're more versed in writing, over creating a manga where you would need to draw a lot of pictures alongside the writing. You can always turn a light novel into a manga later if you would like to. I would suggest going with a manga if you prefer drawing and creating art over writing. I would suggest going with manga if you prefer telling a story through art more so than using a lot of words. You might prefer to go with a manga if you have more skills in art and drawing than you have in writing. If you would like to go with a manga but you still feel a little overwhelmed on taking a larger project, then you might want to start with creating a one-shot manga to see if creating manga or comics is right for you and the story that you're telling.